Just a quick update out vwcoco's. The ghia. Week before last, I started to delve in to the wiring, and I was getting a clicking sound from the starter motor, and I was just about to pull them off. So I took the wheel off, but I had to squeeze the engine that was on this bench, that's currently in the GT, out of the way, so I had to put it back on the skates. So I'll look at this next week now. But I've got new battery cable, I've cleaned up the earths. I'm going to change the start motor. I did start a video, but yeah, I may add it on another one. I want this one all up and running really before he comes home. Yeah, the GT. I am doing a cracking deal with a guy called Jack. That's all I'm saying. It's something that I haven't got. I know it's hard to believe. But this morning, got the 1300 engine in. I've just got to do up a nut underneath, 70mm nut. Wire him up, see if we can get him going. So that's for Jack. I've had to stop because it's hammering down the rain again. Not forgot about the Baja. He will be back inside very soon, because I want the ghia home. Yeah, I can't wait to start cracking on with this one. The floor pan's there. So just buttoning everything up because we've got a storm coming in the next couple of days. And I'm away tomorrow for a couple of days, me and the missus. But more to come on the GT. What a deal, you don't want to miss that. I've got an hour left here, and I've started to do the wiring, just something different. Starting to do the wiring. I pulled everything out because when I bought it, drove it here, well, everything was just sparking atrocious. And yeah, started off with the coil wire. All right, so everything down. I've got a little book in my bag. I'll call it the Bible, and I'll write everything down, so know these wiring. Yeah, and just know it. Just cleaned up that fuse box. I've got Stanley and Dudley with me today. So I want to just do a little bit of wiring, like I said. I did drill a hole to feed the wires back through there. Normally, the wiring loom runs underneath, through this foam under here, and back the other end. But if you see on my patina bug, when I do them from new, I just run the wire through at the back. So that's that. What else? Yeah, GT, that's going to be, what a deal coming on. There's Dudley, having a drink. There's Stanley, checking out the bay panel van. Looking a lot better out here. I can come out here and just crack on now. Yeah, with this wiring, just thought I'd do a bit of wiring. I've been welding up this 72 bug. Yeah. So it's just something different. Again, ghia will be next week now. Oh, talking about the ghia. Matey posted off the other side of the indicators. But the boots, now, in the picture is two boots like this, two rubber boots. And I got sent that crap. Anyway, I'll clean them up, see what I can do with it. Yeah. But at least I've got a matching pair now. And the correct spring. So, I won't say thanks, that was a nightmare. Yeah, I did start the ghia the other day on the key, and it was clicking noise. So obviously the starter motor, add it. God knows how long that one's been in. So I've got another one on the bench over there. I'll pop that in next week. So I'll clean up all the earths. That was my own work last week. New battery cable to the starter. It's getting running, eh? At least turn over and will it run? That'd be a good video. With the paintwork on the ghia, I do like the bare metal, but as you can see in the UK, yeah, it looks cracking, but I may go for a wrap, vinyl wrap. So that's what I'm thinking. Mark Dunnington, thanks for the link. He sent me a link. They do like a rusty patina film. So I think I may go that way. That's still looking cracking. That's the wrong badge, by the way. That's a Carmen Cabriolet. So I'm on the hunt for one. Not too much money. So that's no biggie. So with that, thanks for watching. More rain. Back on it next week. Let's get this engine covered up. Button this one up. Out the door. Jack, thanks for being patient over the last couple of weeks. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Like, comment and subscribe.